In today's video, we're diving into one of the most essential components of modern cloud infrastructure, AWS Load Balancers. So let's get started.
We'll talk on load balancer now. Okay. Now, what is a load balancer? So as the word says, right, to balance the load, right? So basically, what happens is you have you have a one application, right? Take that application as let's take that application as Innoimpex.ai. Okay. And imagine it has three courses. Okay. It has a course called DevOps. Okay. It has a course called data science. Okay. It has a course called DSA, data structure. Now, what will happen? The moment users are hitting this, coming to this website, right? They will get this three course option. Okay. Now there will be different set of users. There will be, like, let's say, few users who want to access only DevOps based course, few users who want to access only data science based course, few users want to access only DSA course, right? Okay. And then all of them will be we can order the course, can make the payment on the website, right? Can select the course and make the payment, right? So this load balancer takes care of responding, like, let's say, what to all the courses are being accessed, right? So this load balancer will send traffic specific to the course to this what is this target group, right? To this target group, and then it will that DevOps, let's say DevOps course is running, or DevOps course ka entire thing is running on two instances, then the traffic will get routed. So the load balancer is nothing but, let's say there are 1,000, or let's say there are 3,000 users coming to this website, and 3,000 users out of that 1,000 is coming for DevOps, 1,000 is coming for data science, thousands are coming for DSA. So load balancer will analyze and then it will send the traffic. It can be number, can be anything. Okay. Now, load balancer is nothing but to balance the load. Okay. Simple term. What all type of load balancer we have in AWS? So you have four type of load balancer. One is classic, which operates at layer. So this is nothing but layer 4 or 7. What is layer 4? What is layer 4, guys? Come on, we did networking. Layer 4. Layer 4 is not TCP. In OSI layer, what you call layer 4? Transport layer, right? And what is layer 7? Application, correct. So classic load balancer we use at layer 4 and 7. Which for protocol it used? It used TCP, HTTP, and HTTPS, and it is a legacy. So again, this is not being used in lot of scenarios. Okay. So okay. Oh, my bad. So this is not being used. So what I will do is I'll make it as a dull color. Okay. Not this one. Let me make it this as dull color. Okay. So this is not being used much, but it is good to know at which layer it works. What is the application? Okay. Then there is something called as gateway. Okay. Gateway load balancer. So gateway load balancer is used at layer 3. What is layer 3? Network. Okay. So basically it is used for IP, and it is used for security related appliances or firewall or few things, right? Where you want to do communication based on IP, right? So in that case, so this is also coming or very specific to a particular domain, is being used, but not as wise as much as network and load balancers. Okay. So I'll also mark it as fading. There are two major, one is network and another is load balancer. Now for an example, so network load balancer, right? Network load balancer is used at which layer?
Layer 3.
Layer 3. Okay, how many of us are?
Balancer, if you are using TCP, then layer 4. If you are using IP only, then it will be layer 3.
No, network load balancer doesn't. We support TCP, TLS, and UDP. So it will be layer 4 only. Okay. So in AWS, it is, I mean, in not AWS, it is layer 4 only. And then we have application layer load balancer, which uses at layer 7, and it supports HTTP and HTTPS. Okay. So what is the difference between application and network? We will try to create both of them. We'll see what is the difference. But major difference is layer 4, layer 7, TCP, TLS, UDP. It supports HTTP and HTTPS. It is for gaming or real-time app where you don't have context path. When I say context path, right, where you want to communicate or send traffic based on ports, right? We'll see that when you want to send traffic based on ports, in that case, you use network load balancer. Okay. And when you want to send traffic based on the HTTP and HTTPS for our web services, right, then we use application layer. Okay. Now,
Thanks
this
for
part is
watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with your friends. Got questions or suggestions? Drop them in the comments. See you in the next one.